If you want to completely deactivate Gemini or Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all we can go to settings on your phone. Over here, scroll down, and we need to find Google Services. Switch to all services and then scroll down until you find the Search Assistant and Voice. After that, we should be able to find Google Assistant option, and you want to select it no matter if you use Gemini or not. So go to Google Assistant in here, and then, in fact, if you do use a Gemini, you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and you want to switch to Google Assistant and confirm your choice. If you already use Google Assistant by default, then of course you can skip this step. After that, we want to go to General, and then over here tap on the switcher to turn off Google Assistant on your phone. And that is pretty much it. However, in addition to that, what I can also recommend you to do is you can go to advanced features in here, and then if you go to the side button, then over here we have the long press option, and you can switch from the digital assistant by Google to, let's say, Bixby, or you can just set it to the power off menu instead. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.